Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is Florida Looters Shut Down I-75, man. They shutting down the highway, man. Let's get to it. Let's see what they're talking about.
Hey, get over here!
Around noontime on July 11th, 2024, officers from the Miramar Police Department, Florida Highway Patrol, and Broward County Sheriff's Office responded to a crash that occurred near southbound I-75. Officers were informed that the individuals who crashed into a palm tree fled from the vehicle. Intelligence shared that the abandoned vehicle matched the description of recent criminal activity, where a male suspect attempted to rob a Home Depot and drove off in the same alleged car. Likely due to these factors, officers approached the vehicle with extreme caution.
I can't see anybody.
Anybody in there? Anybody in there? Coming up.
I think the car's still on.
Anybody in there?
Clear. Clear? Yeah. Clear. Turn off the car though. Yankee 92. Go ahead and open up the air. Car's empty.
Female's wearing a red top with possible black stripes, and she's northbound on 35 underneath the old path, heading northbound.
This is going to be the offender to over there.
They didn't take anything though.
So why run like this?
He said, hey, why don't you try, I would like to ID him. So I went to go ID him and they took off. And we didn't even come on this side. I don't know why they were still driving crazy. We were already back at Home Depot.
Have them run the VIN so the tag doesn't come back to the car.
Get the VIN. And go off camera. We're done. Going off.
Minutes after receiving information that there were individuals running on the highway, other officers take action and begin a foot chase. It appears fairly obvious that these are the individuals who ditched the crashed vehicle.
Black shirt running southbound. It's going to be a male with black shirt running southbound, a black male with a white shirt, same female. First from a female with a vintage top. 2016. I want one unit on the exit ramp to go eastbound on the parkway, and then one unit on the on-ramp to go northbound.
While this officer attempts to drive ahead of where the perpetrators are running to, this officer chases them on foot as cars fly by at speeds that would be immediately fatal for any pedestrian.
Show me your hands! Do it now! Show me your hands! Do it now! Foxtrot 6, they're going into the express lanes. The female has on a red pants. The white male with the white shirt just hopped the wall. Stop right there!
Unknown to the suspects, they were being tracked by Florida's Regional Traffic Management Center in real time via remote highway traffic cameras.
Foxtrot 6, hold on. They just jumped the wall. They're back in the southbound lanes, in the express lane, southbound.
Copy, jump the wall, southbound lane. 23 Sheriff, and this happened on 75? Yeah, from Miramar, eastbound, I-75, eastbound.
They think they gonna get somebody like hitchhiking, like just to pick them up. Let me ask you something, right? Let me know in the comment section how many of you guys would pick up a hitchhiker. Like, just in general, you know, you don't know if they're a criminal or not or whatever, but if you're just driving and you see somebody, hey, you know, you're on the highway, hey, I really need a ride maybe to the next gas station or something like that. How many of you guys would actually pick up a hitchhiker? Please let me know, because I'm curious in this, because I always think about like the stuff back in the day where like people would do a crime or something like that, and like, or before, people used to, you know, get around and travel with hitchhikers. You know what I'm saying? They would walk and they have to get to a destination and whatever, and they'll be backpacking or whatever, and they hitchhike, and people would actually give them rides to, you know, a certain distance. So let me know nowadays, you know, in this modern day time, who would give a hitchhiker a ride, or would you not give them a ride, and why?
They're crossing lanes. Hey, get over here! You know it's more of what's coming. Foxtrot 6. The female is running westbound through the the southbound lanes. The male in all black has his hands up, is walking back towards me, and I got the male with the white shirt laying down in the southbound lanes and emergency lanes. They're running up to vehicles. Hey! Get over here! Get over here!
Make sure FSP is 48. I know that there's an FSP unit right here on 140. There's 48 on it.
Doing, bro? Help me out!
FSP is aware they're currently advised that they don't have any units outside, but they're going to start phone as soon as possible. We'll keep them updated.
Hey, get on the ground, get up! Get on! Get on the ground, do it now! Get on the ground! Turn over on your stomach!
I'm 48, but I see one right here on the side of the road at 140.
Put your hands behind your back! Hide on! Hey, listen, what do that? Turn over! Put your hands behind your back! Cross 6, they're going back northbound to southbound lanes. They got one in custody. The guy with the white shirt. The female with the red is going northbound. In the southbound lanes, male with all black is going northbound. In the southbound lanes on the regular side. What happened? I know.
Stay
with him for me?
Yeah, I got you. Pressure 23, 1648. Nobody's
stop right there!
chasing after them, right? Everybody's just
She got in somebody's car?
Don't you move! 5-6, they jumped into a white KN vehicle. They're in the back seat. Don't move!
Copy, so they jumped into a vehicle, a white taxi.
Don't move! Get on the ground! Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground!
Please don't shoot me.
Don't move!
Please don't shoot me.
Put your hands behind your back!
Sir, please don't shoot me. Please don't shoot me, sir. Please, I'm not resisting, okay?
Get out the car!
Sir.
Get out the car! Get out the car! I'm in the southbound lanes. I just took the black male into custody with all black.
You heard me, sir?
I wasn't with him.
Sir, I'm not resisting, sir.
I wasn't with him.
Stand right here.
Sir, I'm not resisting, right, sir?
Come here in the southbound lane.
Roll up. Stand up. Come right here.
I'm not doing this, sir.
Foxtrot 6, I got 3 in custody.
But I wasn't with him.
I'm in the southbound lanes north of the parkway.
Yes, sir.
I got the black male with the black shirt
Yes, sir.
in custody.
Please,
There's a BSO deputy standing by with the other person in custody. And I have the female here with me.
Please, yes.
Pull the vehicle right here for me. Pull it over right here.
Southbound lane on the parkway.
This is insane. I ain't gonna
Hey, you got cuffs, bro? Let go of this.
But I wasn't with him.
Put your hands behind. Oh. Tired now. Woo.
Nah, that comes too insane. I ain't gonna lie.
3 in custody. Is anybody else outstanding?
Good job, bro.
Given that 3 subjects, pressure 4 subjects, right onto the vehicle.
How you doing? Hold on a second. I see a lot of running.
We cannot go, so we just stop.
All right, it's saying. Hey. I need some water, bro.
Just don't want to get shot, sir.
What are you gonna get shot for? Your handcuffs. Relax.
All you does not work.
Just do as you're told. You're the one that's gonna get killed out here running in traffic. Just normal to run into traffic?
No, I don't know what's going on.
You just run with your friend. That's the morning Josh.
I ain't doing anything, sir.
You mind, you mind sending by with them? Come go to my car, get some water. I have no idea. I only saw the 3.
So what happened? You just opened your door without permission?
I
No. He was asking for can you get inside? Can you get inside? I said, what happened? We were thinking we don't even know what's going on. So yeah, then he came in, and then he thought like he knows money, so you know, like normal people. So we get some money.
Oh, you thought he needed money?
That's what I thought. Yeah. So because we were in the traffic and the car was stopped, and then they get in. Then another lady, she just came in and she went with him. So
they just opened your door and got in?
Yes. Then we saw a cop car. It means like we thought something is not right. My wife said, hey, stop it. Let the cop came in and we'll see what happened.
But did you allow them to get in your car?
Hi, officer. Hi, I just want to let you know because he was talking to me.
Yeah.
We were under the impression that he needed money. So when we were in traffic, we were going to give him money.
Right, but did you guys allow them to get in the car?
And then he said, I need a ride. And then I need one more thing. Then he said, oh, you need a ride. And I said, oh, okay. I said, babe, let me get in the car.
Okay.
Then he gets in the car, he leaves the door open, and he says, oh, the police. And then his girlfriend comes to get in the car, and then we see an officer with a gun to stop.
Okay.
We don't know what's going on.
Right. Do you guys have your licenses? Let me see your licenses.
The first guy I took into custody, he needs fire rescue, complaining of a leg injury, he says. That vehicle's still 97. They didn't know what was going on. People just happened to their vehicles.
One more unit to go.
What you think about that? What do you think about that? That's crazy, right? That's, to me, that's why, you know, I definitely want to have this discussion in the comment section, because these people were going to give them money because they were under the impression that maybe they were homeless or whatever on the highway. You know, they needed some money or whatever. And then they were going to give them a ride, you know, whatever, essentially, until they seen the cop. So they were just trying to be good Samaritans. So, but would you do that like me? Nah, it's different. Like if maybe I'm going to a restaurant and maybe outside of the restaurant, there's maybe a homeless person or whatever down the block or whatever. And you know, something like that, that's a little different. But to let somebody in my car and drop, nah, it's not happening. Nah, I'm good. Nope.
92 at the crash scene, and I believe they also need fire rescue if the vehicle is smoking.
Hey.
I'll turn around, I'll go to 92.
Oh, Tony, stop, bro.
The white car? That's the car they tried to jump in.
Where's the person in there?
Right here, in the car. They're in the car.
Why is he picking him up?
He thought they needed money, so he stopped. They were going to give him money, and then they said, oh, we need a ride. So then they were like, okay. And then they didn't see the police cars yet. So then when they saw the police cars, they're like, oh, okay. Now it's something else. They didn't leave anything in the car, right? They didn't. No. They didn't drop anything in there. Okay.
If you guys want, like, you guys can check. We thought, like, you know, people ask for rides so that they can get somewhere and they get.
Okay, so they didn't make any threats or.
No, nothing.
Nothing. They didn't say like, give me your money or give me a ride or nothing. Okay.
Yeah, they were asking for a ride and that's it.
Okay, you guys are good to go. Okay. All right. Thank you.
After their arrest, all three suspects faced the same charges: 1 count of resisting without violence and 1 count of pedestrian obstructing traffic. The female suspect appears to have submitted a nolo contendere plea almost immediately, meaning she agreed to not contest the charges. Her charge for pedestrian obstruction was immediately dismissed, and her resisting charge came with a $294 fine due in 1 year from her arrest date. She was arrested, charged, and sentenced all by the following day, and seemingly spent a single night in jail as far as jail time goes. This wouldn't be...
Whoa. Let's run that back. Hold on. Hold up. Run that back. We got to run that back.
1 count of resisting without violence and 1 count of pedestrian obstructing traffic. The female suspect appears to have submitted a nolo contendere plea almost immediately, meaning she agreed to not contest the charges. Her charge for pedestrian obstruction was immediately dismissed, and her resisting charge came with a $294 fine due in 1 year from her arrest date. She was arrested, charged, and sentenced all by the following day, and seemingly spent a single night in jail as far as jail time goes. This wouldn't be her first mark in her criminal history. Her previous charges include possession of substituted cathinones, also known as bath salts, possession of controlled substances, possession of pure Ladino valor offer known, previous
substituted cathinones? No, I can't even say. What? Bath salts? Yo, y'all remember bath salts back in, oh my goodness. Yo, what a time to be alive that was. People was biting people. Like, yo, people was eating people. Oh boy, yeah, bath sauce was crazy. Bath sauce was really crazy, I ain't gonna lie. What? Yo.
Wouldn't be her first mark in her criminal history. Her previous charges include possession of substituted cathinones, also known as bath salts, possession of controlled substances, possession of pure Ladino valor offer known, previous resisting arrest charges, and burglary, among others. The male in the white shirt posted a $500 bond 10 days after his arrest. He also entered a nolo contendere plea and received 7 days of jail time for resisting without violence, which was deemed immediately served upon sentencing due to his jail credit. His pedestrian obstructing traffic charge was dismissed. Of the trio, he has the most extensive criminal history, with previous charges for dealing stolen property, third-degree grand theft, aggravated assault with a firearm, previous resisting charges, possession of cannabis, possession of cocaine, possession of ecstasy, possession...
Bro, oh no. You get, oh no. 10 days of jail time, and you got this much of an extensive criminal history? Possession of this, possession of this, possession of this, firearm, possession of this, like, are you hearing this? Are you hearing
pure
this?
Ladino valor offer known, possession of...
What's pure Ladino alpha? What is that? What is that? I don't even know what that is. What?
Grand theft, aggravated assault with a firearm, previous resisting charges, possession of cannabis, possession of cocaine, possession of ecstasy, possession of pure Ladino valor offer known, possession of substituted cathinones, falsely verifying ownership at a pawn shop, and prisoner escape, among others. For the male in the black shirt, these are apparently his first criminal charges in Broward County, Florida. He also submitted a nolo contendere plea, but waited to do so after 57 days of jail. His pedestrian obstructing traffic charge was dismissed. For resisting without violence, he was charged 57 days of jail, which was deemed immediately served due to his jail credit. He also has to pay $150 in court fines and fees. During his time in jail, he additionally faced nearly a dozen lawsuits pertaining to thefts from not just Home Depot, but also Target and Lowe's. Documentation shows he must pay restitution for a total of over $19,000 to the 3 companies.
Now, most of us don't.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.